Hey everybody, I have something very exciting for you to do. Enjoy the beautiful outdoor space, the nice blue sky, and get out the house. So we did, and we are on our way to the drive-in. It's back. We're going to have so much fun. We're going to tell you all the exciting stuff that we're going to have snacks, we're going to watch a movie, and we're going to social distance. Okay, so this is Wendy. We're social distancing, but we're at the drive-in and we're talking to people. This is just so exciting. And so, what's your last name of your family?
Malazak.
The Malazacks
Yes.
are here. When's the last time you've been to the drive-in?
Oh, geez, probably 1988.
1988. Okay.
For sure.
And so, what brought you out tonight, and how does it feel?
The movie brought us out tonight. We can't wait to see Fatima, the movie. I'm really excited about it. We saw a couple of the trailers, really excited. And being at a drive-in in this beautiful place is just amazing. Absolutely amazing.
And showing the nephew, we're driving. He's like, what's a drive-in, guys? We're introducing him. He had to get away from his game station, but we did it.
Right. This is for the next generation. I have my 4-year-old with us, and she's in the car with the laptop. So Amy showed up. We're social distancing, cuz, right?
We are. We're social distancing.
So, two divas.
Yes.
We're here at the drive-in. How does it feel for you?
Well, I mean, same thing. I haven't been to a drive-in in I don't know how long, but it's just fabulous to be here. It's good to be out, just to keep your mind off of everything else that's going on. This is a positive, inspiring movie, and I'm just happy to be here, and it's fabulous. I have a fabulous goodie box that I'm about to open.
My best friend, who's also the godmother of my daughter, grew up with Lynn.
Oh, nice.
So Lynn just stepped in proxy of my best friend. We were just like best friends. We collaborated, and Lynn Danko actually did all the invitations with her good friend Kelly.
Oh,
the two of them collaborated.
Right.
And we wanted to do something so that, I want to introduce you to my producing partner, Natasha House.
Natasha, Wendy.
Hi, Wendy.
Nice to meet you. And Tommy.
Hi.
We're so excited.
So Tommy and I wanted to collaborate on a drive-in theater here. Yes. And I said, Tommy, I don't know anybody in LA. And that's why I connected with Linda. I go, can you help us with the guest list? And then, bam, we had one. John, I wanted you to meet my husband real quick.
Awesome.
So this is John, and after he retired from the NFL, we transitioned into producing.
Oh, nice.
And she's just a cutie patootie.
So yeah, we will definitely keep in touch with you. Tommy wants a photo, I guess.